Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Is that too loud?
No, that's good.
Got a 2-year-old upstairs, so. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We thought we'd give you a little update on October. The October harvest, which was a pumpkin, some beans, lots of raspberries. Wait,
Yeah.
are you doing the garden stuff?
That's okay, you roll with it.
Well, Jade, why don't you fill us in on the garden? Sorry.
That's okay.
Okay, talk about the garden. The people are wondering.
So as we wrap up the final little stint of the garden 2020, we are just finishing up gathering more beans, if people can believe that, harvesting beans in October. So the beans are done now. The corn, we're pulling the last round of stalks out. The corn didn't do as best as we would have thought, but we have some plans for next year to help promote the corn growth. And the strawberries and raspberries are still doing really good, actually. We've been getting about 5 or 6 raspberries a day still.
Off the one
bush.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's pretty fun to see it.
Yeah, it's nice for Maya. She likes to pick the raspberries. We get about a strawberry a day still, which I think is pretty good.
It's a hell of a lot better than last year.
Yeah. And this year was our first year for asparagus. So that takes 3 years to harvest. So next year we'll just let that do its thing. And then by summer 2022, we'll finally be able to enjoy asparagus.
I love asparagus.
Yeah, me too. The rhubarb didn't do very well this year, but that is because we had some other mystery plants growing in that same garden bed, and we were kind of wondering what those were.
What were they?
They were the acorn squash.
Oh, that shit everywhere.
So next year we know that we can just give those lots of room to grow. So that's kind of our wrap up of the garden. And next year our big goal is to do the overhead watering system. That's our big main focus.
Yeah, definitely.
We're also going to try and combine some of the beds just so we have a little bit bigger beds. And yeah, just keep going, because this year we did really, really good.
Yeah, compared to last year.
Yeah.
Not even the same garden.
No, not even comparable.
Okay, I'll do the inside stuff.
Yes.
So, the inside stuff. Addition on hold yet again. We're actually updating our plans. We're going to bring the main farmhouse to the barn and attach them so that we have one dwelling. Long story short, we got kind of a dwelling and a half / 2 dwellings right now. Kind of not legal, so...
We're trying to get all legaled up.
Yeah, so we got our in-law suite, which we have to basically attach this house to the barn, make it one dwelling. So we're going to get the plans redrawn for like the 40th time. And hopefully we go on ahead with that throughout the winter, and then hopefully break ground next summer. We have tons of content coming down the pipe for inside stuff. The garage, we're going to be ripping all the interior walls out, putting drywall, pretty much getting that up to code. And just same old, man, plugging away on the homestead. Rambling on.
Yeah.
Hey?
As per usual. The other thing that we wanted to talk about was we have some baby news. So baby number 2 is due January 2021.
Woo!
In preparation for that, we're trying to do a couple things to make our house feel a little bit more homey. So that way we feel like we're moving forward with the addition, even though we're at a bit of a standstill. So we've updated some of the windows upstairs, and we are having our brother-in-law help us build custom built-in cabinets for our living room, which are going to look super amazing.
Oh yeah.
And then we're talking about replacing a few more windows in our bedroom and insulating our kitchen floor to kind of keep the heat in through the winter before we really get going on the addition in summer 2021.
Yeah.
Please.
Lord, baby Jesus.
Yeah.
So that's where we're at for October, guys. Like I said, lots more videos coming, so if you're new here, subscribe. If you're returning, thanks for stopping by. And we'll catch you on the next one.
See you in a bit.
Take care. Ciao.